comes in from America, but of course on the lighter side it makes for a break or day for NASA, because it's the most daring mission that to Mars that they've ever sent. All eyes really on NASA's 7th spacecraft to be sent to Mars, Curiosity, which is all set to land on the red planet after cruising across 350 million miles of interplanetary space for almost 8.5 months. Now the touchdown is scheduled around 11 a.m. as per Indian Standard Time. The complicated landing for the Curiosity rover is so risky that it has been described as 7 minutes of terror. The landing system is new, it is untested. Not only this, the scientists won't be able to know for 14 minutes after the landing whether Curiosity has actually landed or crash landed, as radio signals from Mars travel to Earth take that much time.
If we're not successful, we're going to learn. We're going to learn from this. We've learned in the past. We've recovered from it. We'll pick ourselves up. We'll dust ourselves off. We'll look at this and do something again. We'll do it again. This will not be the end.
And so over the last few days on the spacecraft have been nominal and quiet, as nominal and quiet as we could have hoped for. The spacecraft has been under the autonomous control of the onboard EDL sequence since Monday evening and has been executing its actions as planned.
Now, Curiosity is the most ambitious, most costly and most high-stakes mission ever, actually, for NASA, costing around $2.5 billion. Approximately, this mission is NASA's biggest gamble, 5 times larger than its earlier counterparts. Curiosity weighs around 900 kilograms with multiple cameras and many other high-technology devices. Now, the rover would gather and analyze samples of soil and rocks. The mission is to determine if microbial life has ever lived on Mars. Curiosity will operate for 98 weeks at least on Mars if everything goes according to plan.
Big difference between normal surface operations and what we're doing now, again, is really the uncertainty. There's just lots of things that are different about this vehicle on the surface. It has, different power configuration. It has the environment that it's in we don't know anything about. So there is a lot of uncertainty into how quickly we'll be able to do.
Now, not only the interests of science, there is another reason why we are tracking this whole mission very, very carefully. India is the third highest in number of names being sent to Mars on a microchip. Around 59,000 Indians are traveling to Mars, at least in name, on a microchip. Not only this, Cold War rivals Russia and the US have also joined hands for this mission. Russia has contributed an instrument to detect possible water signs on Mars.
Design the spacecraft to basically handle all the conditions that we've seen in past years, whether they're clear or dusty. But we continue to monitor it in real time, getting data from the orbiters at Mars every day this week to make sure we understand what conditions the spacecraft will encounter as it's flying through the atmosphere and just how accurately we can expect to